Today we'll be going over how to install a dash kit on a 2006 to 2007 Jeep Commander. Now there are some dash modification, but like always, Metra's instruction manual will help you get the job done. Start by drilling the bottom mounting locations. Next, you'll be grinding down the tabs on the back side of the dash. After the dash is cut, place the screw caps over the top of the bottom mounting locations and screw them in. Once you have the bottom screwed in, you will see 3 metal tabs on the top of the dash. Grab a standard soldering iron and melt them down. Now we do offer 4 different options for the 2006 to 2007 Jeep Commander, starting with the 108-CH4G and the 108-CH4DK. Difference in them being is the CH4G is painted gray and the CH4DK is painted dark khaki. Both of these kits are specifically designed for the Pioneer DMH C5500 8-inch radio to be installed in. Our next options are the 95-6556G and 6556DK. Just like the 108s, the difference in them being is that the 6556G is painted gray and the 6556DK is painted dark khaki. Both of them specifically designed for a double DIN install. To finalize this install, your wiring harness will be the CHTO-01 and your antenna adapter will be the 40-CR10. For any more information on this product, you can visit metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.